Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Roblox PIN if you forgot it. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Roblox application, and then at the bottom right corner you need to click on the More button. Then you need to scroll down and find Settings button. Then in this list of options you need to click on the Parental Controls. After that, if your PIN is enabled, and you, for example, try to disable it, you need to enter your PIN. But what should you do if you forgot your PIN password? So you first of all can try to remember it or guess it. For example, 1111 or maybe 1234. But actually, if you forgot it and you can't guess the right one password, you need to go back to the More section in this interface. Then you need to scroll down and click on Help and Safety. Then Help. Then you will see this interface. You need to click on the search bar and then type PIN. After that, you need to find I forgot the PIN topic and then click on that. Then you will see this information. You need to click on this button, Contact Form. Then you will see this interface. In your browser, you need to, in this interface, you need to add your first name, email address, confirm email address. You need to choose for example, iPhone here, or maybe Android or PC or iMac. Then type of help category, for example, account hacked or account login, and then account PIN. So after that, under description of issue heading, you need to describe your problem. For example, you need to say that you forgot your password and you can't guess it, please help me, or something else. So, and then you need to click on the continue button. So after that, Roblox support will receive your message and reply to your message for a few hours or maybe a few days. So, and then your problem will be fixed. So, and that's all, and that's how to remove Roblox PIN if you forgot it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.